Hey guys, it's Aarati and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon. And I'm really sorry I couldn't upload last week, and if you can see, my background is also different, so that's because I have moved to a new place. And last week I was moving and it was a very hectic process and I just couldn't concentrate to create a YouTube video and upload it. So yeah, that's why. But in this video I am going to tell you what to pack if you're coming abroad to study. And remember, this is my list and you can obviously customize it according to your needs. And obviously I'll give everything in the description with a few Amazon links as well, so you can directly click on the link and then buy it. So let's begin. Okay, so just a disclaimer, remember to check with your airline how much luggage you are allowed to carry and pack accordingly, and do not overboard because you'll have to pay. And just remember that sharp things go into the big bag, which is the check-in bag, and all your documents and electronics go into your small bag, which is the carry-on, or you can carry it on a sack as well. So I have categorized everything, and the first category is electronics, and don't mind because I'm reading it out, the list, because I can't obviously remember everything. So do carry your phone and charger, obviously, camera and charger, that's if you have a camera. I also carried my Polaroid camera and the rolls that I have, but again, if you don't have, you don't have to carry anything. And because I do YouTube, I carried my mic, my memory card and my mini tripod as well. To carry your laptop and your charger, and if you want a laptop stand as well. Then obviously a mouse and a mouse pad, and do carry your universal adapters as well. I brought 2 of them, and after coming here I bought an extension which had 3 universal ports as well, so you can do that. And wireless and wired earphones, smartwatch and your charger. Just to be safe, carry 2 USB cables and a Type-C cable as well, and lastly your power bank. Now comes the clothing part. So carry obviously your t-shirts, half and long, sweatshirts and hoodies because it's quite cold here, then tops and tank tops for daily use, dresses if you're a girl, shorts and joggers, then jeans and pants. If you want, you can also carry your formal wear. I had also carried thermal wear, so you can carry that. I had got 2 shawls because I like to keep myself warm in this cold weather, so you can do that as well. And obviously undergarments and socks, but don't worry if you don't get too much of these, you can obviously buy it here. Like socks and everything you can get for a very cheaper price over here, like in Primark and everything you can get it. So moving on, in the footwear category, do carry at least 2 to 3 pairs of shoes, slip-ons to just wear in the house, in the kitchen, or just if you're going outside, just like not too far away. And if you're a girl, obviously heels. Then comes the toiletries and personal hygiene section. So obviously toothbrush, toothpaste and tongue cleaner. I had carried 2 towels, one was a thick Turkish towel and one was a thin towel, and I usually carry those thin towels just for traveling and everything because it's lightweight. Then 2 hand towels, bathrobe if you have. Do carry at least 1 toilet roll because as soon as you get over here in the UK, at least you have something to start with. Otherwise you'll have to literally run to the grocery shop and get those. So at least get 1 toilet roll. Then body wash, perfume and hairbrush, and again for girls, hair rubbers, scrunchies, hairband, jewellery, makeup, all of those things. And you don't have to carry body wash and shampoo and conditioner, all of that. I didn't carry my shampoo, conditioner, I just came here and bought mine. And for the personal hygiene, you can carry earbuds if you want, it's completely fine, you can come here and buy as well. Sanitary products like pads, period underwear or menstrual cup, then razors and trimmers, wax tips if you want, and nail cutter, plucker to do your eyebrows. And I've also included straightener and hair dryer in this list, but it's completely up to you if you want to bring it or not. I had brought mine, but you can buy it for like 5 to 6 pounds over here in Primark or in any other store as well. It's quite cheap over here. And also if you buy it here, you won't need to use the universal adapter because it comes with the UK plug. Then the next category is like the random things. So carry your water bottle. I had also carried like a few tumblers that I had at my place, but again in the freshers week you'll get plenty of tumblers and all of those here. I had carried an umbrella, and I would recommend you to carry it as well, because I think Indian umbrellas are very strong and it can handle the wind over here, whereas I've noticed that the umbrellas over here that you get in the UK or Europe for that matter, they're not quite strong and they just can't handle this wind. So if you can carry an umbrella, then I'd recommend you to carry a sewing kit just in case something, you know, happens, you can just fix that. Then carry rubber bands and those little clips that keep your food airtight, you know, just carry those as well. And then family photos or any soft toys that are close to you. I think that will keep your homesickness away. And stationery, diary or notebooks, all of those things also you can carry, but again in the freshers week you'll get plenty of pens, diaries, tumblers, chocolates and whatnot, so be careful of that. And again for girls, you can carry your handbags like sling bags or purses and bags and everything. Carry your wallet, and do not forget to carry a small dirty cloth to, you know, clean your room and everything all the time, because a lot of people I think might forget that, but I'd included in my list, so please do carry that as well. And now comes the kitchen category. So if you've bought any kitchen pans, please do bring them, or if you're planning to buy it here, just make sure that they are induction based, because in a lot of accommodations I think they're induction, and only in private houses you get the stove ones. If you do not bring, don't worry, but just get your pressure cooker. I think it's quite important over here in the UK. Then serving spoons, spatula and eating spoons and fork obviously, but again you can buy it here. I got 2 knives over here. One I use on a regular basis and one I've just kept it for spare just in case the first one, you know, spoils or something. I'd also got a potato masher, egg beater and 2-in-1 peeler and grater, but again you can buy it over here. I had a lot of luggage available, so that's why I brought that as well. Then all the essential Indian masalas that we get, and ready to cook packs as well. And onion chopper, if you think that it's going to make your work easy, then please do bring that as well. And if you are planning to bring any frozen rotis or, you know, any frozen food, then you can bring that, but just make sure that after coming here the first thing that you do is put it in the freezer. And then the last and most important is your medicines with prescriptions that the doctor gives you. Just keep it with the medicines just in case they stop you in customs. All your documents and certificate file, and obviously your passport as well. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope this video helped you, and I wanted to make this video since a long time. And as you can see, I've given the list everywhere on the screen as well as in the description with the Amazon links wherever it is applicable. So if you click from that link, it will be much easier for you, so you can do that. And just to remind, please do check with your airline how much luggage you can carry and then pack accordingly, prioritize stuff and then bring them here. I had a lot of luggage allowance because I flew from Gulf Air and I had gotten 23 kgs bag, and as a student allowance I had got one more 23 kg bag and a small carry-on which was 6 kgs and a laptop bag which was like obviously laptop and charger and all of that, the weight. So just bring what you need and don't bring too many extra stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.